But, satellite radar is showing us at least some showers and storms across parts of North Texas. And when we get those storms this time of year, it's great because it helps to keep those temperatures from getting too terribly hot. Now, in the Metroplex, we're really not seeing a whole lot. Earlier, we're seeing maybe a few isolated sprinkles. You can kind of see that around Midlothian, probably not getting much out of that and around Ennis, but even those showers have fallen apart. But to our south, we still at least have some showers. Earlier, we were looking at thunderstorms, but I'm really not seeing too much anymore in terms of lightning. There could be a few lightning strikes left, but as it pushes off to the north, well, it continues to fall apart. So this is our Weatherford camera. We still have more of a partly cloudy sky. It's certainly warm. We're at 92 degrees right now in Denton, 91 in McKinney, 91 in Canton, 89 though in Waxahachie. And around Waxahachie is where we did have a couple of isolated light rain showers. Dew points, though, that's the problem. This time of year, it just gets so humid. We've got dew points well into the 60s and even 70s. There's a 73 right now in Waxahachie, also a 73 in Greenville, a 71 in McKinney, a 72-degree dew point in Paris. When we start to see those dew points reach into the 70s, over 71 degrees, that's when we're going to be in that uncomfortable level. And a lot of us have just been kind of stuck there for the past several days. So after factoring in that humidity, it feels more like the mid and upper 90s. In fact, out to the west, it's even hotter. It feels more like 101 degrees right now in Archer City, but it feels like 98 in McKinney, 98 in Greenville, 98 in Corsicana, and 98 degrees right now in Hillsboro. Overnight tonight, we're going to stay muggy. It's going to stay pretty warm. Temperatures only drop down into the mid and upper 70s, the normal being 74. I'm forecasting an overnight low of 75 degrees in Dallas, but 78 in Denton, 77 in McKinney, and we're going to wake up to about 76 tomorrow morning in Greenville. Tomorrow afternoon, looking at partly to mostly sunny skies or more of a mixture of sun and clouds. So pretty similar to what we've got going on today. But this time, I'm really not expecting too much in terms of rain coverage. If there are any rain and storms in North Texas, I expect them to be well off to the north and west. So tomorrow, looking at a high of about 91 in Terrell, 94 in downtown Dallas, 92 in McKinney, and 94 in Mineral Wells. As far as rain coverage, we've had some rain chances over the past several days, but this weekend I had to take those out. The latest data says it's just not going to happen. But early next week, we've been watching the weather pattern, and it still looks a little unsettled as we begin July. So by Monday, we still at least have that 20% coverage of rain and storms. Tonight, though, I don't have any rain chances. I think we're going to be partly cloudy, warm, muggy. The wind's going to be light out of the south. We're dropping to about 75 degrees tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow afternoon, partly sunny, hot and humid. It's still going to feel like the upper 90s, the air temperature itself making it to about 94 degrees. Saturday and Sunday, we're warming up a little bit more under mostly sunny skies. We're also going to have a breezy south wind. Finally, on Monday, there's our 20% coverage of rain and storms. So that's going to knock our temperatures down a couple of degrees. Obviously, not everyone's going to see the rain, and it's not going to be a huge impact on our temperatures. We still have that 10% coverage on Tuesday, but as we get a little bit closer to July 4th, it does look dry. We don't have any more rain and storm chances around July 4th, at least for that one day. But here's the thing, by the time we get all the way to July 5th, so just the day after, we do have that 10% coverage of rain and storms. Hopefully it holds off until after the 4th of July, but after that, it's really going to be a little hard to find something else to talk about, at least at this point, because basically it's just a copy and paste weather pattern. We've got mostly sunny skies, we've got a breezy south wind, and temperatures hold on into the upper 90s. Guys, back to you.